We are doing awareness for our honeys at Chandarana Yaya Center. Our honeys is a wellness honey. It has so many health benefits. It boosts the immune system. It helps bone health, liver health, eye health, oral health, kills harmful bacteria in the body. It reduces inflammation in the body. It is a cough suppressant. It soothes the throat. We have so many flavors. We have cardamom flavor, clove flavor. We have ajwain flavor. We have rose. We have cinnamon flavor and other flavors. Welcome and enjoy our honey, our infused honey in any flavor that you desire. Yes.